Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to delete a record in our database in MySQL using PHPMyAdmin. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. In this case, I'm using XAMPP, so make sure that your Apache server is running in MySQL. I'm using XAMPP because I'm more as a PHP developer, and then it is an open source technology that we can freely download it free from the internet. Here to our browser, and then we will go to localhost and then simply type PHPMyAdmin. Let us wait for a while. And then in this tutorial, I created a table, a database name demo, and then a table user. Simply click the user table, and then here we have here 4 records. Record 1, my name, my age, my wife, and then John Doe, we have 56 years old, and Anatan, 34 years old. Now in PHPMyAdmin, it is very easy to delete a single record. In this example, let's say we want to delete record ID 3, that is John Doe with the age of 56. Simply select this particular record, and then once it is selected, by using your mouse, click the delete this link. It will ask you to confirm if you want to delete this particular record. Click OK. Now record ID 3, the record of John Doe, is already been deleted, so we have already 3 records. If we want to verify using SQL, we go to SQL here, and then we will issue a command. Okay, select asterisk from users, from user. After select asterisk, meaning all the fields from what table name. In this example, our table is user. Click the go button. As we can see, we have only 3 records. Jake Pomperada, age 41, Marginally Pomperada, age 48, and Anatan, 34. The record of Jack with the age of 56 is already been deleted successfully from our table in our database. This will be the end of our video tutorial. I hope that you have learned something new on how to delete a single record in MySQL using PHPMyAdmin. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.